Hey alright viewers, welcome back to another video. So today actually I forgot to record the intro for the video that I'm doing, so I'm doing it actually in the night. So today's video is going to be about plane spotting in the Kingdom of Bahrain. So if you guys don't know, you could or if you don't know the news, from June 1st we have the Airbus A380 of Emirates coming into Bahrain at 3:30. So this is just for the month of June, for the entire month of June, because Bahrain has three times a day we have Emirates, but now we have it two times, and at 3:30, I think 3:50 we have it in Bahrain. That's an Airbus A380. So I went out to check out the Airbus A380, and along with that I saw a few more. That's Boeing 747, that's the Queen of the Sky, and then a few more. So that's the video about it. It's plane spotting. And if you know, I have also told the location of where I am, from which direction it will be better. So if you guys want more detail, you can ask me in the comment section. I can tell you which is a good place to stand and look at aircrafts. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I've finished 1 year in YouTube, so this might be the first video after my 1 year completion. So this is the second year I'm in YouTube. So thanks so much for the love. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also please start showing love a bit more, because I need motivation. And also because the CBSE's 12th exam was cancelled, I passed 12th grade. So maybe more videos or more update videos on that will be coming soon, about which college and all the stuff. So waiting for it, and maybe I'll see you soon in another good video. And if you want anything you want to know about Bahrain, or anything you want to know, or some new video, just type it in the comments down below. And also don't forget, this side there's a like button, please click that out, because it really helps me a lot. And then also if you see a red subscribe button, click that out also, because I won't put a video every day or every week. Whenever I put it, you guys can know it, and also keeps me happy. So thanks, and as always, if we can do it, we should do it. Have a good day. And I won't have an end video, so this will be the starting and also as end together. So the whole video will be about the airplanes, and also you can see whichever it is. Okay, thank you and have a wonderful day. This is your Rishi. If we can, we should do it, because we can. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Here are viewers. Today is a very long time after I'm seeing you. So today I'm actually near the Bahrain International Airport, and if you see somewhere far away over there, you can see Airbus A380 from Emirates. This is the second time it's coming into the Kingdom of Bahrain. If you guys want to see it, 3:30. It's the landing time here in the Kingdom of Bahrain only for this month, only for the month of June. And you guys can check it in the flight radar 24. It's landing over there. You guys can come and check out the Airbus A380 landing here in the Kingdom of Bahrain only for this month at 3:30, and taking off at 5:50. You guys come and check it out. The jumbo jet of the world is coming after 747. Hope you guys can see it. Okay guys, so that's the Bahrain International Airport, and after some time there's a 747, the Queen of the Sky landing. So I'll show you guys when that comes in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so I told you that the Airbus A380 just landed, and I'm waiting for the next one. So this is a Catalite Air Boeing 747, the Queen of the Sky landing. Okay, so this is actually a very good spot if you guys want to take if you love planes and you want to do something about it. This is the place. So I'll tell you where it is. So there's a signal that comes straight. So either you can come from here, that comes from Muharrak bridge, it comes here, and then there's one coming like this, and then that's the airport, and then here it comes. And this is the beach where you can park and see all the flights landing. today's video I've shown you both the Queen of the Sky and so-called the sister of the Queen of the Sky, the Red Cross. Today is actually a treat for all the plane spotters here at the Kingdom of Bahrain. So the first one you saw is the Airbus A380. The next one you saw is a Boeing 747, the Queen of the Sky. This one you're seeing is the Boeing's or Globemaster, which you can see in Qatar Airways or anywhere. This is the US Navy's aircraft, which is landing at present in the passenger airport or the commercial airport. It's the one second. So this is the Lockheed Hercules, if I'm not wrong. So there you see it. So this has the 4 open head engines and not the closed head. That's why you can see the smoke coming up in the behind. Okay, so this all happens in this 10. So I've been here for I think 10-15 minutes. So this all the things you're seeing is happening in 10-15 minutes. Don't forget you can download the Flight Radar app or check it up over there, and then you can see this. The next one coming is a Gulfstreams private jet that's landing, and if you can come up to this place I've explained here. Come here and you can see all the flights landing. Now it's a bit sunny, but if you want to see the Airbus A380, it's only for the month of June. The flight comes to Bahrain at 3:50 and it takes off from here at 5:50. Hope you can see the jet. And don't forget to please like, share and subscribe to the channel. 1 year has finished, and thank you for all your support that you have given me these many days. There comes the Gulfstream. Okay, so actually all the videos that you're going to see throughout this video will be in part by part. So I have taken I think 3 or 4 videos. The first will be the private jet, the what is it called, Gulfstream. Next will be the Hercules, Lockheed Hercules, the US Navy, Army. The next one will be the Airbus A320 that's coming right now. Then you'll see the 2 more, which will be the Boeing 747 and Airbus A380. So what's coming right now is Gulf Air's Airbus A320 Neo, which is a new addition to the fleet of Gulf Air. It's a wonderful aircraft. So if you love plane spotting and you want to see various planes coming in and out of Bahrain in maybe less than an hour, you guys can come here in the afternoon time, or you can come even in the night time. If you want to see an aircraft completely coming during the afternoons, like around 3 o'clock, and you can see a lot happening here in the Kingdom of Bahrain. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Comment down below what you would like to see next, and hopefully I can try to show you that. Another happy news, I have passed 12 successfully, and I think all of you will know the news that I have passed 12. Waiting for the results and also the admission, and videos about that will be coming guys. So here comes the Airbus A320 Neo. Neo stands for new engine. It's new engine. Option something. Neo. this is the 70th anniversary one. Okay, so during this for the 70th anniversary, the Gulf Air has bought so many aircrafts, including the Airbus A320neo with the new design. Then there was a Boeing 787 Dreamliner also, and then there's one with the Heritage Edition also, and that just took off and I couldn't record it. So I'll check forward if I can see more videos. Thank you. The next one that you're gonna see right now is the Gulfers, again Gulfers Boeing 787 Dreamliner. As I said the 70th edition, they bought so many aircraft. This is one of them, the Gulfers 787 Dreamliner. So as you saw today, the flights that I'm putting up over here, I think this will be this video, and every flight that's coming up over here is long haul or high range aircraft except the except the Gulfstream ones. Other than that, all of them are long haul. And here you see the 787 Dreamliner by Gulf for the 17th edition with the new logo or the new design for its aircraft. This is pretty low rather than the other one. So the thing is, I actually want to show you the flight landing, but then if you check it out over there's a car parking and there's a wall. That's why I can't show you the actual landing. Before I could, but I can't do it now. So I'll check if I can see any takeoff, and I'll also put that in this video. And let's see if any more is there to come on. So there's another flight that's landing, but in the time I show you the flight landing, again I would like to tell you, if you want to see these aircraft, maybe if you want to see the 380, I'll give you an option. 3:30, 3 o'clock or 3:50. So you can come around 3:50, 3:30. Here, or you can check on the Flight Radar app, Flight Radar 24, to make sure when an aircraft is landing. And you can come and stand here. To get a proper view of it from the side, stand up in this region that's near this white building. Stand here and you can see the aircraft properly from the side. And to move on, please don't forget, as always, like, share, subscribe. Thank you for loving me for the past 1 year. So this is my second year in YouTube. Posted very little videos. Hopefully this year I can post more. And let's see how the COVID goes on. Please be safe in your house and wear a mask always. I'm wearing a mask and recording. I want to show my face, but because I have a mask and I'm standing outside, I don't want to do it. So here you see, this is a Saudi Airlines Airbus A321/200 aircraft.